I'm Andy Story and I'm reporting for Wild Lemons. Today I'm unpackaging liver capsules by Ancestral Supplements. Okay, let's dive into this bad boy. Ta-da! What got me to buy Ancestral Supplements? A few reasons. These guys are pasture raised in New Zealand, grass fed, grass finished, two important factors. No hormones, pesticides, and they're GMO free. Absolutely no fillers or flow agents, so you're not getting any extra BS. Let's dive in and see what we got. So here we have 2 beef liver capsules. Now I'm going to take these 2 guys right now while I have them out. I'll take the rest probably later tonight. Oh, we should talk about that. These guys suggest 6 capsules daily or as directed by a healthcare professional. Easy. No bad liver taste at all. Now, liver and organ meats in general are packed with tons of nutrients, most notably vitamin A and vitamin B12. Wow guys, I don't know what happened to our video, but the day we were shooting, the audio got all messed up. I'm just gonna go ahead and reiterate what I was talking about. The reason I really like these supplements is because when I'm on, or rather when I'm trying to do a nose to tail carnivore diet, it's an easier way for me to get that organ meat in there. Now, I'm not saying these are better than going in and eating or whipping up some liver or some brain or some whatever. I'm saying that this may just help you out if you're trying to do that. A lot of the times it takes me a little bit longer to make an awesome chicken liver pate or beef liver pate, and I just find that taking a couple of these throughout the week kind of helps me do that. Like I said, I don't know if it's the optimal way to do things, but given the circumstances and the need for time, it just comes in handy. What do you guys do? I mean, are you guys adding supplements to your carnivore diet? Do you think this is ridiculous? Do you think it's a good idea? I do. I put the link for Ancestral Supplements down below so you can go ahead and try them out if it's something that you want to explore. The other thing is if you guys are digging this content, do me a favor, go hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It really helps me out, lets us know we're doing something right. And on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and go make some more videos. I have some more cooking ones in the pipeline, which I think you guys are gonna like. Go check out the chicken liver pate and the beef liver pate video. You'll learn something there as well. And I also have a special guest, Emily Cebu, join me to help taste test that. It's another journey that I think you'll dig. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.